Hi everybody, Greg Davis with MarineMax in Savannah. Just a quick run through of one of the new 16 Super Sports that just arrived. As you can see with the new color accent, this one is rigged with a 90 Mercury, has the external fuel tank, a bimini top, and one of the other options is the stainless insert on the rub rail. This is the new design for 2019. They added a steps on the back of the transom, making boarding easier for people in and out of the water. You can see the new accent stripe, looks very nice on the hull, comes with a galvanized trailer as a full package. One thing they added for this year was a great storage area in here for licenses, registration, towels, things like that. There are several different seating options that can be added to the bench. There's also a bow cushion that can be added. Just a great little runabout. Contact us, MarineMax Savannah, 912-525-0968. Thank you.